Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how you can make this animation, professional animation. And this is already one of the videos I've delivered to one of my clients and he liked this work. So I just want to make this tutorial video to show you how to make the new ideas. I hope you enjoy the editing process.
Every single open slot in your calendar represents potential revenue. But too often, those slots go unfilled, or worse, are booked by patients who don't show up or aren't the right fit.
First, I'll get this image to work on it. Get this laptop. You can get it from Freepic or any website to get these graphics. Taking this calendar into the screen, make the background, get it at the bottom of every single layer, change the color of the gradient trend we added. We can make a composition so we can work on it without being on the first composition. And after that, animating the main composition, I will make a rectangle because we will have to remake this graphic or this time icons, because there is a click button on the image. Make a rectangle, increase the roundness. I will fix this problem because there is a problem while I'm making the white rectangle. Add a text. Change the color by making the color from the other text. Copying this rectangle and text and duplicating it, and so we have new one for here. Change the text. Make a circle because we will need to make this circle animated or changing the color. So we'll make a circle and let me add a text 8. So this will be the animation. We will have a click on the time. It will appear this blue circle. First we have a white one. Yeah. I'll get this icon from flat icon. And once we click on the time, we will have the circle change the color exactly like the real thing. Making the click, so I will make a scale changes by making 3 keyframes. The first and final keyframe will be the same thing, and the one in the middle will be like 1 or 2, like this. You can select the whole keyframes by clicking on the scale text and decreasing or increasing the value. I'll cut the click button, the click PNG, and I'll trim the rectangle of the background of the first text on the right, changing also the text to be white so it matches the blue color. Now this is how it looks like at the main composition. Yeah, I try to make like null object or a camera, and we can control this camera with null object, as you can see now by comparing the camera to the null object and this
and after that linking all the layers to the camera, and after that we can make any change we want, so it affects the whole composition. And I think I would make like 3D movements, but I just made like scale, and I want to make a jump cut. So this is by cutting the camera and null object like this. Getting back to the composition where we work, changing the position of the click button, copying the scale keyframes from the first layer to the second one. Just copy and paste the keyframes so you don't have to remake it all over again. Cutting the layer, the background of the text and the text, and changing the colors like we made at the first one. Select the colors. We change this color after making the cut, after making the click on the icon. Cut this layer and changing the color to be like this blue color or white color. Making this text to pop up when we say in the video potential revenue. This is just, I was trying to make the idea, but this is what I end up with. Make this rectangle and make this small shape so it looks like a message, changes the color of the text so we can see it on the black background, and we try to make it like pop-up effect by making some change to the rotation, like 3 or 4 keyframes. Very simple animation. It will be down, and after that we will get it a little bit on the top, and then get it back to the normal position. But just have to make some movements before it got to the final position. This is why I'm making like 4 keyframes. You can make more to make it more, realistic. Duplicating the same thing, the same animation, and get it down to the second shape or the second time. Like this. Let's just check and see how it works. This is the next animation, will be this message. And we will also use this email, like email shape or template. We can build all these things from scratch, but I found it would be more easier to get like this thing and work on it and make some changes to it. This was GIF, but I take like first image, or this image, I make like freeze frame from the time, freeze or last frame or freeze frame. This will make, and then we will make a mask for this. So we just need this part. Add a background with the same background color for the image. Changing the mask after that, so we don't need this left side. And the selected messages or selected emails, we don't have to make to get these 3 selected emails on the image. So I will change the mask again and cut out these selected emails, because it will not make sense for our animation. changing the mask by clicking on it 2 times, duplicating this image and changing the mask. So we cut out the emails at the bottom. It was confusing to edit the mask, but this is how we edit it. So we expanded the messages so it will look okay, and we don't have to have like any selected image, selected messages or emails. Then we will select one, as we will see now. I will edit this message that will pop up. I will make a mask shape, and after that making mask for it, but I'll make sure it's the same size. Linking the track matte to this shape, reduce the scale of the shape so just show the message, linking the image to the mask or the shape so it moves with the shape. After that editing, this is the best part of making the recomposition from the image or the graphic, so we can edit the graphic on completely different composition. I will get another message that work for our case, because we don't have to reuse everything. We just get the idea from this message and changing it. This is the message I will use. I will change it after that and make it I'll make this text on it. I'll make the shape onto one of the emails, and I'll change the blending mode and the color after that. But first I'll get under the click button, change the color, and I'll make a mask by duplicating it and making track matte, and after that changing the position so we can have the mask working. And when it's getting in, when the animation works of this position, I'll get the message at this place. We'll make the animation of this click. So once clicks on the email, this red shape will get in and the animation will start, and then the message will pop up. And this is how it looks like. Very cool animation. And I'll make third animation to the null object and the camera, so will look like this. You can add some 3D movements. That's why I make a camera, but I just make it like this simple animation. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next video.